Okay, so good morning, student. This is our third video of the class 6 chemistry in the chapter Introduction to Chemistry. The last topic which I have explained you is what is chemist. What is chemist? So I must repeat the thing. What is that? As a name specify, chemist, C-H-E-M-I-S-T-S, C-H-E-M-I-S-T-S, chemists. Okay, so what is chemist? A person who studies, and conduct what? Chemical research. A person who conduct chemical research is known as chemist. Okay, see, chemists and chemistry, all the things are related. The ones you will understand, and it will be very, very easy. Okay, so once again I'm repeating, what is chemist? A person who studies chemical research is called chemist. There were many famous chemists in our history who had done lot of discoveries. Where we are, that is I explained earlier also, that is known as modern chemistry. Earlier also the chemistry were there. So the lot of famous chemists were there. We are not going to study all, but whatever is given in our book, that we have to study. So we will study about Robert Boyle, Anthony Lavoisier, John Dalton, Sir Humphrey Davy, Jones, Jacob Burgess, Dmitri Mendeleev, Marie Curie, and Prafulla Chandra. That is our Indian chemist. Prafulla Chandra is our Indian chemist. So we are not going in very, very depth, but at least few lines we have to study. So it's given in your book. You can write it down or underline in your book. After that you will write it down in your chemistry notebook. Okay, so let's study first about Robert Boyle. Robert Boyle. He is a founder. Of modern chemistry. I have explained a lot of things about modern chemistry in previous video. That modern chemistry, what was a earlier chemistry. In the modern chemistry, in 17th century, modern chemistry came. Earlier it was what the chemistry is known as early chemistry. So Robert Boyle is known as the founder of modern chemistry. Okay, that is more than enough. You don't have to learn more about it. If you want, obviously you can, but at least minimum these lines you should put it in your mind. So Robert Boyle is a founder of modern chemistry. He was one of the founder of chemical science. You can learn this line. Okay, so Robert Boyle. This is over. Robert Boyle. The second we are coming about Anthony Lavoisier. He also developed lot of things because he is a chemist. So he did lot of research. He also developed something. Now let's learn what Robert Boyle has discovered or what he has found, developed in our modern chemistry. So he has developed law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass. What is law of conservation of mass? That you will study in the higher class. Okay, Anthony Lavoisier developed law of conservation of mass. He also named some of the elements like hydrogen and oxygen. He named. Okay, developed was done by somebody else. He named it. Okay, so that is Antony Lavoisier. We have learnt about two chemists, Robert Boyle and Antony Lavoisier. Okay, the second chemist we have learnt. First is Robert Boyle, second is Antony Lavoisier. Then come to the third one, that is John Dalton. John Dalton, lot of theory is for the John Dalton. We will learn in higher classes what is the theory of John Dalton, what theory he has given. So here we have to deal with in very short. He has discovered about atomic theory of matter. Atomic theory. He has discovered atomic theory of matter. He apart from atomic theory, he was one who, we are talking about John Dalton. John Dalton discovered atomic theory. Apart from that, he was the one who has also presented atomic weight. When you will learn about the elements, then you will come to know atomic weight is there, atomic mass is there, atomic number is there. So he presented atomic weight for not all the elements, for number of elements. Now for number of elements means many elements. He discovered and presented many number atomic weight. Okay. Then next is about three things we have learned. Robert Boyle, Antony Lavoisier, John Dalton. Founder of modern chemistry, Robert Boyle. Law of conservation of mass, Antony Lavoisier. John Dalton, atomic theory. This thing minimum you have to learn. John Dalton, atomic theory. Also given atomic weight for number of substances. Then next, Sir Humphry Davy. Sir Humphry Davy. He is best known for his electrolysis. Again, electrolysis is one of the process. Electrolysis is one of the process for taking out pure substance to isolate elements that you will learn in class 10th. Okay, so Sir Humphry Davy, he discovered electrolysis. He is known for his electrolysis. Electrolysis is one of the process by which we can take it out or isolate one of the elements or many elements. He was also known as the inventor. For what? He was also known as the inventor of what? Safety lamp, also called Davy lamp, because he has discovered the safety lamp. So in his name it is Davy lamp. Davy lamp. So once again I am repeating, Sir Humphry Davy. He has discovered electrolysis. It is a process of isolating elements. He has also discovered safety lamp. In his name only, that safety lamp is also known as Davy lamp. Okay? I think it's clear. Robert Boyle is clear. Antony Lavoisier is clear. John Dalton is clear. Sir Humphry Davy is clear. Okay. So next we will learn about the John Jacob Berzelius. John Jacob Berzelius. This is the next is John Jacob Berzelius. Now what he did, John Jacob Berzelius is also one of the notable chemist. Notable chemist means famous chemist. So he has given notation, John Jacob Berzelius has given notation for the chemical formula. John Jacob Berzelius has given a notations for chemical formula. he had stated many chemical terms as allotrope, and catalysis. Allotrope and catalysis. John Jacob Berzelius. John Jacob Berzelius is one of the famous chemists. John Jacob Berzelius is one of the famous chemists who has developed notation. What is notation? When we write the formula of water, that is H2O, or formula of any substance, then there we don't write complete element, we make a short of it. So that is known as the notation. That is the notation. So that is given by the John Jacob Berzelius. He also discovered allotropes, catalysis. And what is allotropes? What is catalysis? We don't have to learn now. So don't bother about it. That all we will learn in our higher class. Okay. So can we move ahead for the next chemist? Please go through it in the book. It is given in your book also. I am explaining. And I hope when you will read the books, you will able to understand well. So the next is about Dmitry Mendeleev. Dmitry Mendeleev. You must have seen the periodic table. You must have seen the chemistry periodic table. A long form of periodic table. That is the modern periodic table. But that is not the first one. That is the improved version of periodic table. Okay. So, what the Mendeleev did? Mendeleev was also a chemist who formulated periodic law. Periodic law. He has given the law. Earlier also that was given, that is early chemistry. But as the time goes, the changes were there. So Dmitry Mendeleev given a periodic law that how the table should be arranged in the proper sequence, in the increasing atomic number or decreasing atomic number or an increasing atomic mass, how it is arranged, what is the law over it, that is given by our Dmitry Mendeleev. Okay. Apart from it, he also discovered and corrected many elements. Dmitry Mendeleev, he is also one of the famous chemist which we have to learn further. That is Dmitry, John Dantle. These have lot of theories over it, and we will deal these topics in our higher classes. Okay. So Dmitry Mendeleev discovered periodic table. He has given a periodic law. He also corrected the properties of lot many elements which was not correct earlier. That is enough, more than enough, because if we are going to discuss it, our video will become very, very lengthy. So we cannot explain it more and more. Please go through your books. The second is, okay, Dmitry Mendeleev is one of the famous chemists that have discovered periodic law and many more things. Please go through your book. The next is about Marie Curie. He has discovered a radioactive substance. Sorry, she has discovered a radioactive substance. She has worked upon radioactivity. She has worked upon radioactivity. Okay, that's it. Nothing more we have to study in our this. Although about Marie Curie, most of you were aware. And the story also we have learned about Marie Curie. Okay, the next and the last chemist which we have to learn in this class is Prafulla Chandra. Prafulla Chandra is an Indian chemist. Prafulla Chandra is an Indian chemist. He is also known as the founder of Bengal Chemical and Pharmaceuticals, India's first company. India's first pharmaceuticals company. Who is that? He is Prafulla Chandra. Prafulla Chandra. He is an Indian chemist. Father of chemical science in India. Okay.